Commercial buildings are a different kettle of fish altogether. You've got engineering of roofs and shading objects from air conditioning, ducts and vents and flues coming out. So, we really need to hone in and specialise and again, see what the demand of energy for the commercial businesses are and get their interval data from the electricity meter so we can paint a picture of their consumption profile, and then we try and match a solar panel system based on that consumption profile and the available roof space that we have for the client. Commercial buyers obviously want to reduce their energy bills and footprints, so they're looking to get into the market to offset that. Our commercial clients are looking to insulate themselves from rising energy costs, so putting a quality solar panel system on that will last a long period of time is the ideal solution. Return on investment is all about regaining as much money as you can from the system, making it last as long as you can. So choosing a better quality product is always going to last longer and be beneficial, particularly ones with a 25-year full product warranty, so you can guarantee that system is going to generate power for 25 years. For commercial operations, return on investment is even more important because they're going to, in the long haul, they're not in and out of the businesses within a short period of time, so having a product that's going to be warranted for output and generation for 25 years is ideal.